Welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing the newest offerings from my friends over at 711L Tools, their TS and TG foldable EDC pen drivers. Huge thanks to the fine folks at 711L for sending these over for review. These drivers have been in the works for a little while and it was well worth the wait. If you were to look up 711L in the thesaurus, you would find terms like precise, meticulous, and detail-oriented. These two new offerings do not fall short of those traits and if anything, exceed them. I am blown away by how creative, useful, and well thought out these are, all while maintaining great aesthetics. These new pen drivers work with both 4mm precision bits and also 1/4" double-ended bits, potentially making them the linchpin in my new keychain toolkit I've been setting up. Bonus is that they take both standard double-ended bits like the ones you see here from Weha or flat ones like you get from Leatherman's toolkit. As of the time of recording, the TG, which is also listed as the geometric variant, goes for $39 and the TS, aka modern version, goes for $42. As always, links to purchase can be found in the description below. Though small and relatively unassuming, these drivers are incredibly well thought out and hit well above their weight class. There are little bits of attention to detail everywhere, even down to the packaging. Speaking of, what's in the tubes? Beyond the drivers itself, you also get one of their keychain bit holders, and after I got my hands on my first one of these, I tried finding something similar online, and I swear these are made of unobtainium. Please link in a comment below if you're better at obscure product searching than I am. That said, I'm hoping 711L starts selling packs of these outright or perhaps as a bit kit. Even though these drivers share rather similar dimensions, the TS comes in at roughly 20% lighter than the TG at 1.2 ounces compared to the TS at 1.5. Without their extensions, both measure in at 75mm or basically 3 inches in length and 0.37 inches at its widest point. That makes these the perfect pocket 4mm precision kit, but because they're foldable, you could easily get a good amount of torque on them and turn them into a little handheld powerhouse. Pairing one of these new pen drivers with 711L's hex end inline ratchet and a handful of Weha double-sided bits, a couple of Klein flip sockets, and you have something light enough for a carabiner, but versatile enough to take on quite a few light-duty tasks. I'm building my little kit out for my day job as an IT guy who also has the odd Mr. Fix-It task around the office. This will save me trips to go grab a larger, heavier kit from my car or the IT closet, as I'll be able to keep this setup attached inside of my backpack or easily clipped on anywhere. One of these drivers could be an excellent addition on its own to your EDC, with a 4mm bit for eyeglasses and some more bits in a small case or something like this Leatherman bit kit. The TS and TG will come with what the 711L calls a keyring loop duo, that is a magnetic insert that allows these to work as precision drivers, and the one that comes with the TS could also be used for some other attachment solutions. Both are machined from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Outside of all the functionality, these drivers are a thing of beauty. I mentioned it briefly earlier, but I wanted to take a few moments to just let you take in how good these look. This should be of no surprise though, as 711L always keeps form on a level almost as high as function. All of this brings us back to our ultimate question: would I buy one of 711L's pen drivers again? Definitely. Personally, I'm a bigger fan of the TG model, but you could easily just use the parts that come with the TS and the Leatherman bit kit, and for under $75 you would have a beautiful driver, 21 double-sided bits, and Leatherman's little double-ended screwdriver for glasses and the like. That's a crazy deal on a lightweight kit that could be rather capable in a lot of situations. Thanks once again to 711L Tools for sending these over for review, and thank you for watching.